Understanding Bootleg Version, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase bootleg version. This term is quite interesting in the English language, and understanding it can really enrich your vocabulary. Let's dive in. The term bootleg version refers to an unauthorized or illegal copy of a product, especially movies, music, software, or branded items. These copies are made and distributed without the permission of the rightful owners or creators. The key aspect here is the lack of authorization. It's what distinguishes a bootleg version from a legitimate one. To fully grasp the term, it's helpful to know its origin. Bootleg dates back to the American Prohibition era in the 1920s. People would smuggle illicit alcohol in their boots, hence the term bootleg, for anything done secretly or illegally. Over time, this term evolved to encompass various types of unauthorized reproductions. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are some example sentences. 1. I accidentally bought a bootleg version of the software, and it didn't work properly. 2. The street vendor was selling bootleg versions of famous brand t-shirts. Notice how the term is used to emphasize the illegal or unauthorized nature of the items. In the modern world, where digital media is prevalent, understanding the term bootleg version helps in recognizing and avoiding unauthorized copies. It's also important legally and ethically to understand the implications of using or purchasing bootleg items. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of bootleg version. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a key step in mastering the English language. See you in our next lesson.